Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, brother and sister. We are here once again this evening. I'm broadcasting from Ibude Global TV. We are here to give you other word of advice. I want you people to always remember we are your brothers. We are here to give a word of advice. We are not here to insult any man or any woman. Whenever you have a contribution, you can also contribute to our discussion. One thing, very soon we will be commencing on a Facebook Live where every members of this Ibude Global TV, our viewers, when we are online, we will also contribute to what we are going to discuss. Right now, we want to start our program. I would like to introduce first my brother, my friend. On my right hand side, Mr. Victor Okunla, you are welcome to Ibude Broadcasting Service.
Thank you very much. Good evening, my brother, my sister. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, according to your time from where you are.
On my left side, I'm here to introduce my brother, Egegbame Omoma. To this program, you are welcome to Ibude Broadcast TV.
People, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are watching us from.
Now we are ready to kick off. Ibude now start. Our discussion today, my brothers, there are a lot of things we see. Many things when they happen for our country, come be say the thing dey surprise me as a person. I believe the way e surprise me also surprise you. I want to know if marriage is a do or die affair. Why I dey talk this thing? Some people dem dey work, the little wey dem dey receive as a salary e never carry dem. Marriage is a something of love. E no be when you don see person say e get money you go come say you love am, but for inside your mind you no love that person because of the money wey you see say the person get, you go come say you love am. Then the person go believe say true true you love am. Then when e don reach area say okay, as e be now, make we come be husband and wife. Then the woman you go say na so I need my marriage, na so I want am make e be. Then this marriage wey e be say we dey talk about now, this person salary e never reach to even chop well or rather to do marriage. Then dem dey propose how dem go take borrow money for some place, because me I come reason am say marriage e no be wetin person go say e wan do, you go dey borrow money. You never get house o, but we know say a step of 1,000 miles e start with a foot. Fine, we fit start say okay, as e be now, make we start from somewhere. But as we wan start from somewhere, e no be right thing when e be say we go come say we wan go borrow money take do marriage, when we know say the salary wey me as a man dey receive e no go fit carry us. Because those days, olden days, when our papa dey say okay, my pikin you don reach time when you go marry, dem go come, dem say dem see one flower wey e fine for this house o, na im make us come here o. Then at the end dem come say okay, call the girl, you like this person, you say you like am. This person, you like this girl, you say you like am. Wetin dem dey do that time be say dem say see wetin you wan bring o, see wetin you wan bring. We know say na modern life we dey, then we go do am, peace go come dey the marriage. Maybe the man still dey get small small money, he go come say my wife as e be now, I wan make we dey do petty market, make we take dey give am small small help. Then the woman go come start. If na woman wey be say e still good, wey be say e no dey look other woman, say see wetin my friend wear. If you no wear am na problem. The money for market wey dem give am, you go dey spend am there. At the end market no go work, na there you still see some. You go manage that ₦1 wey dem give am, e come be something. Dem go come, children go come dey come, dem dey put dem for school, university. But when e come be say this time person no get ₦1, you go dey put a budget wey be 2 million. Na I come say I will invite una as umewa wey una be, make una still take mouth touch dis things, how e suppose to be. If na right thing, say if you wan marry, you no get money, you go carry loan, the loan wey we know say no fit pay. Na I call dis meeting for today. My brother Mr. Okunla, may I start with you. This thing wey I don break im hand and the waist put for ground, so how you look am for your own mind?
My brother, my sister, una good evening, good morning, good afternoon, according to the time for where you dey live. For me, that question wey my oga ask me so, that question na very.
I no be oga o,
It's a very
a point of correction. I'm a presenter. Everybody na oga.
The question
oga no dey here.
the question wey my presenter ask me so.
Na so.
The question wey my presenter ask me so, the question na very big question. Compared to the time of our mother and compared time when we dey so. For me, that question e dey large. How e take dey large be say, for you to borrow money take do marriage, which money you dey expect to go pay back from where you borrow am? If for example you be woman or man, say my wife, I wan make this marriage no pass this year o, after 2 years relationship we wan do marriage. If the woman tell you say this marriage we wan do, so you don get the money, you go tell the woman say as I get the money reach o, say as we wan do am. When the woman begin dey say Mr. Edu, people hear am for the community, Mr. A and Mr. B no be the same. When God create everybody, he create some short, he create some tall. That's why if you look at your finger, they are not equal.
They are not equal.
The main way I wan hammer for this matter na be say, you wey go borrow money, maybe you dey expect senator, say maybe that senator na him go spread you, and then
okay, why invite them come now?
No, when you want to marry money, invite person.
Okay.
And when you invite person, maybe you go borrow money to go and big to put respect for people body.
And people now in dey put everything now, say if these people come,
na there I get my money.
na there I get my money. He no dey put am for person wey never come pocket.
Mr. Edu, big man full there. Mr. B go say I wan do me still be like Mr. A. You wey go borrow money wan compare with Mr. A. If a senator come, commissioner come, they no come the way they expect am. They come the same person come, they come get wetin pass your own, and go borrow money take do marriage. Even though this will not even come when you depend for say the straight line you wan take pay the money. For you to go borrow money, me as far as I concern, for you to borrow money take do marriage, that marriage go get k-leg.
Na one thing.
How that marriage go take get k-leg? You go borrow money take do marriage. After your responsibility, you no see money take pay back. House when peace no dey, marriage no dey sweet.
Thank you, Mr. Okunla. My brother, Mr. Egebamo Moma, you hear wetin my brother don tell us, when don break down for us now. For you, how you see am? person benin dey take am dey make parable say emu overkill. Emu overkill mean say if you be businessman or trader, never dey calculate wetin you wan sell say this profit na I wan get. What of say if market no come good, how you go come take get the profit? My brother Mr. Omoma, I wan make you talk for this matter whether na good thing o say Mr. A do marriage na stadium e go do am. You as a friend of Mr. A, you wan do marriage now, if you no go stadium na do other affair when you know say you no get that money when that Mr. A take do. Wetin you suppose to do as a man when you be say after the marriage you go come get peace for your house gidigba? I wan make you talk for this matter now.
My brother, I thank you very much, and then my viewers, una do well o, as una just dey lis ten to us now. For me, any man when im wife or im wife to be dey wan say you must go do this marriage by force, and I wan do am, then make you go carry an limousine.
Dem make big pass
my
friend
my friend wey dey do that day.
dey
The man, if he take that woman advice,
advice,
you know say the man that marriage e no go last. Why? Because man when e dey work, im salary na 100,000 a month, then he wan go do marriage of 5 million, then he wan go borrow money. After he don do the marriage, where he go foresee the money when he wan take pay back?
because he dey expect say if dem give am money put for im head, what of if the money no come?
Whether he invite the president of the whole world, it's not advisable make man go borrow money say he wan take do marriage. If he go borrow money he take do marriage, then wetin dem go dey eat for house? Then if more ten t or food e no dey house, wahala don come.
Okay.
Wahala e don come. Then that woman go tell am say, I no say make you go borrow money take do my marriage o, but you go feed this house. Wahala don come.
Mr.
So for me I dey advise our men out there, such a thing.
This matter Mr. Egebame, e no be only man side e dey o, because this thing we go break the hand break the leg, then everything go dey jakata like this, everybody go see am say the problem e no turn go one side.
That house
e dey right, e dey left.
That house peace no go ever dey. Who go borrow money take do marriage? That house peace no go ever dey. Okay, now make I just show one example. When e happen for this place we dey, this man, that is this boy now, e no get work. He wan go do marriage. Him wife tell am say you must go rent an limousine.
Make you do marriage.
Make it that is
When dem wan enter go.
Yes. Now after
go church abi.
Yes. Now after they don do the marriage finish, wetin go happen? The boy come get problem. As he get problem now, then before he come from that problem, the wife when he go rent an limousine take do the marriage, he go dey carry another man.
Okay, thank you my brother. You see am, oyibo say such is life. Mr. Okunla, I wan ask you this question. Na man hand the day say I wan do am make people know say na me do marriage, or na the woman when the man wan marry hand na im dey say me this my marriage e go big pass Angelina own. How that place? Because I wan make you tell me, because I wan make I know where this problem from dey come, because if we no talk make we dey tackle this problem every day, this problem go continue. When be say people go say dem wan do marriage, if na man e no get money, then you go come go dey put hand for one bad thing say because he wan please woman. Then we go come know if na woman dey say this man I will make sure say he do wetin I want by fire by force. Then if you no do that thing, you go come dey do say the man wan leave am. I wan make I know where the problem from dey come. If na the man hand na im from dey come. When we don still talk about that one, many things dey when we go talk about today. I wan make we touch that area for me.
Thank you very much for that question wey you ask me, whether the man hand na e dey or na the woman hand.
Yes, na wetin I ask.
For me, na 50-50. There are some men who go call a wife say, abeg o, the budget wey I get for this marriage na 1 million. The woman ask am say, wetin 1 million wan fit buy? Na then you see some women, you go say this my marriage at least e too low, 5 million. Why I do am say na 50-50? You as a woman, when you go talk say this my marriage if e too low na 5 million. Why the man, make the man first ask the woman how much you get? Because when you say marriage, marriage no
when you wan add to the money wey the man get.
The man dey tell una say this marriage na 1 million.
Na him
get for this marriage. The woman begin dey say no, where that 1 million go reach na 5 million.
Okay.
Now this man get the right to ask the woman say
how
much you get
when you wan take join this 1 million.
When you wan say your marriage go worth 5 million. If the woman no get where you wan bring, take support the man, and the man say na so he want and the woman no gree, not by that.
Okay, me say if the woman no gree, na be say the love no dey there.
Love no dey there one.
Okay.
And that marriage no be do and die when be say the man go borrow money or you come to get sleepless night because
also say he wan do marriage.
If the woman say no, he no fit bear that type of marriage of 1 million. The Bible not dey against am. How much more say the people of the earth go dey against am? So the woman not ready. He go find that woman wey go dey agree with am with the more pocket he reach than to go borrow money. Oyibo say na 50-50 na e dey.
Oyibo say
some women dey.
Yes.
Go say my marriage must be one time. Na so some men
Na
dey
so.
go say my marriage be one time.
Wetin I wan make Oyibo say sew your coat according to your size.
So na wetin be that be say the two of them e dey the same equal.
Mr. Egegbame, this thing for your own side of it, how you see am when e be say some marriage e no go reach some time e go collapse. Na because of this money when person go borrow take do marriage na dey make am collapse, or the thing just happen like that. Because wetin my brother talk just now, if man wan do marriage, the money wey you get na you go take do marriage. Benin dey take am make proverb say prick wey man get na take dey sleep with a wife. You no fit go borrow from outside. You understand me? E no be right thing say if person wan do marriage, e go do marriage as e hand reach. Benin say make no borrow for say oya mo don. As small pikin hand reach, na take dey carry 10 mile. If you don reach the size wey you go carry or the number wey you go carry, e no fit contain am. Na so marriage suppose to be. You as a man, who be the problem of this issue now when we dey talk, when be say some men don go put their self, maybe some go wan borrow money now, maybe dem don dey manage, dem get land, the man get land, then dem say make e come put collateral when you take borrow money. Then the land wey be dey manage small small, because say you wan do marriage now, you take this land go borrow money, then at the end e no fit pay back that money na good thing. Who dey cause this problem? Na the man wan put himself for problem, or the woman na him wan put the man for problem when be say you go borrow money when you no fit pay.
Thank you, my brother. For wetin me I say for here be say they say by their fruit you shall know them. That is if you see some women na from boyfriend and girlfriend, now you know the type of woman when this
woman
be. Now for me I no go fit try am o. They say wife when God settle man, then if the man say okay now I get 1 million when I want to do this marriage, reasonable woman when he ready to stay,
say you wan
marry, he go tell the husband say look my dear, this 1 million e too much o,
e too big.
Abeg if na 200,000 500,000 make we just take do this marriage. After marriage me I go start business o.
When I dey do to
when I dey do
support you.
I don't understand me, but women when their eye
no be women, you say some women point of
some women when their eye
good women dey o. We no fit take the old bush talk to so slave.
Yes,
the good one
so now
God go still bless them.
some women when their eye open
for money,
if I just say you even tell am say na 10 million na I keep for this marriage,
you tell say
go tell you say e nourish.
I believe you.
Understand me? He go say e nourish o. 10 million abeg o, you go find join o. Then if you be man,
wetin I should be one where you wan dey give
if you be man
price of everything
when e dey
wise,
then you just quick avoid am.
Okay,
let her go.
If you come be man wey wise, wetin you come do?
Let her go.
Abeg, you go do Ben Johnson.
Abeg,
you run abi how you wan do am?
I go run o.
Your head go come dey, your leg go dey touch your head.
I keep 10 million. I wan take do marriage. Then she did no abeg.
Me I talk about wetin my brother.
Okay, right on.
Wetin my brother tell for beginning, me I throw some light for them. You say with their food we shall know them.
Na so
Bible talk am wey dey exist. But in the other side, with their fruit you shall know them when we know for Bible. There are sometimes e dey work. There are sometimes no dey work.
How?
You know why? You're like when you need this water from me, you can do everything possible
to get am,
to get that water.
You get respect. Say
after you don't get that water,
I
know the type of say if you want know better person, make dey side money. Person wey you say this one too good. No be when e dey to beg to eat.
When never get.
No be when never get.
When dey poor.
Never talk say this one too dey good. If you wan clarify man wey dey good, make e sit down for inside money first. Now you know character wey e get. Na so e be for marriage. When you see woman wey dey after that marriage, whether you get money o, because now we believe say na also money woman dey say I wan marry this man. Even though no get money, there must be something wey dey target.
When dey target, when you see for your body.
We never see woman when dey propose. When I use that proposal be when you wan engage. When you see her, before you wake up, you don clean kitchen.
You don sweep
cloth wey never even reach to wash,
you don wash am. You even carry iron yourself, iron your cloth.
After you pay your back price, then you go know whether you put snake for her house or you put lion for her. Even if the cost of that time, you no go put mouth say so now you go tell you say sorry my house man, I don say go offend you. But when you don't pay that price, because even Bible talk and say, for you not to pay the price of your woman, you see that woman.
You see that woman. Your
that white wedding, now you ought to
no, just to
now that price, na Bible say,
yes, now you recognize
for the man or the woman, mama. I tell you not pay that price. You will see and say, no be this woman. They carry cloth.
Oh, you go tell you say registry. When you don put the registry na that be the key when you don do when they dey target.
That's what we call handcuff.
Handcuff.
So now that one na you don handcuff you na you get the key. for the outcome, they get everything. Especially when it comes to the whole matter. So for that matter, no, for Nigeria take her as a crime. So that type of something now, you don't consider one day they look down man for far distance here. Person dey change like this overnight because wetin dey look for e don succeed.
Sometimes
when you say one
I dey come
three
as sometimes
then you see some wey you don know from beginning the way e process it then go still go end after you pay.
May I analyze one place because I wan I'm trying to cut you short. I dey come Mr. Okunla. Na you see say some friends wey be say e dey close to that woman na best friend. And that person na neutral person, e no get any mind to spoil person. That person e come be beating. Some no good o, some dey spoil a wife. Then they will come say na that woman when their friend na make her come change. Sometimes e no dey like that. Wetin you talk so, e make big sense because if you dey set trap for rabbit, for antelope, any meat at all, e never catch, you no ever say that trap e dey value. When you don catch, na then you know the trap. Na the trap na be that. When you don pay bride price, bride price dem go still look am say na minor thing. You understand me? When you don go where you say na handcuff just now, I don't know wetin I call am, even pass handcuff. You understand? My brother.
Bride price abi?
No, bride price na normal thing. You know say some go say you don pay bride price, you no do registry, you still dey cause problem. I wan ask you, if a woman really want to marry, wetin the woman suppose to dey do as a wife? All these things when we dey talk, say woman wan marry man, you no go registry, you go borrow money, na right thing for a woman to do. Because as una dey talk am now, una dey say na woman, as una dey put am now, una say na woman na im dey say I wan do my marriage make e be like this because my friend do her own that day. Na so different people come from different part of the world. Now, is it the right thing to copy, say wetin my mate do, if I no do am, na do or die affair? If my friend do marriage with 100 million, Jesus our Lord, he send people come, my own e go pass that one, na right thing or no be right thing?
No be right thing. No, for me no be right thing because the day when God he create me,
no be that day he create me. Okay.
So now there dey get twins, male twins.
Na the same day they will come out to bed, senior day,
but not be the same
hour, not the same minutes
at all. So now Ojo no go say that is Owokan he do marriage of
100
million, then make him go still do the same marriage 100 million. No,
or more than.
No. So you no go, that is, me I no go fit copy anybody.
Okay. Now
because all figures are not equal.
Now, what advice now we get for our people? Because they say you borrow money take spray for masquerade. When masquerade don go now, you can't dey debt, you can't dey pay debt. It's not the better thing now. Which advice we now get for these people when if they do this thing and say we will fit advise them? The one wey never involve themselves. Marriage is a thing of choice. If you know say you dey friend man, you know say they say that they, according to them, they say that they get class. But to me, wetin I believe for my own self and wetin I know with the little knowledge, little understanding wey I dey get for Bible. Na only Jesus, God, na get level. If you say you get money, you dey enter every office say that na your level, na zero level.
Before we go for that advice.
Okay, if you get that one, what
before we go for that
tell us.
May I go for that statement wey you mention before we go for that advice about imitation or copy friends, people. Copy people is good day, bad day. If for example, your wife dey need am to present food for you, my wife no dey do am, e come dey do am. Na go take copy from your wife.
Yes.
But if along the line, the same woman no be the cause, no be the use bad words, where you come go visit friend, you see the way dem dey use bad words, the man no dey talk, he go practice am for your house.
Na bad
side. So there are many ways of copy good, there are some copy bad. That is for that place. For me, for the advice of all borrow money of marriage, for those who go get here, they say who get here me here. Whether you talk for nothing tomorrow, not talk for nothing tomorrow. There are some men when we say they go tell you say any I want to pay the money, not concern you.
But at the end,
na dey suffer am.
Okay.
How can you be in a tenant of a room and a parlour or 2-bedroom flat? You go borrow money take do marry for you na tenant go dey borrow money dey do for landlord house. That one no make sense. The best thing, do that marriage the way your business no run na if you are businessman. If you are salary earner, do that marriage the way you know dey hold your landlord dey go dey run house person dey look for you. Do am small, do the many one if you too get extra, take start something doing. Make that woman not be a woman wey
dey ability woman wey go sit down for house dey greet her wey dey come from work, bye bye o, welcome.
So for that one, my brother and my sister, all the viewer, borrow money take do marriage.
It's not advisable
to any man and woman. Do as your money reach. Marriage na marriage. I never see marriage with the record say this marriage because na the best marriage so far in the state. Now we recognize a marriage. No. Marriage na marriage. You no get as you do. If you like get 20 canopy, if you like get 2 canopy, marriage na marriage. Na marriage dey right for all of them. The important thing say make peace dey for the 2 couple. Make the life dey sweet.
The thing wey me know about marriage be say that money e no be big money o when you give the family.
Na dem recognize.
Na the joy of the family be that.
Yes na.
Say my pikin e no disgrace me o, e bring husband, e don marry, dem come pay her dowry for her head. Na be the joy of the parents. My brother, which advice you get for this our brothers and sisters when e be say dem go take correction? Know say this people dey platform, many things dey when we wan tell people. We no dey here to curse anybody, but if you no take the advice wey we give, throway the advice, bring us come inside house, no insult us, we no go insult you. We no dey curse papa, we no dey curse mama, we no be enemy of anybody. All of us will be brothers and sisters. Which advice you get for such people when dey do this kind thing? Say marriage, if I no do am, I do other affair, I must borrow money to do am to the way when people go here for London, America. Even though you cheat now, you be poor person, you put am for Facebook, dem go see am. You understand me? E no be now say maybe you do marriage, you do am for your village, people no go see am. This time anything wey you do, dem go see am. If you do marriage for your own village, people come, dem dance our traditional dance, everybody clap and dem play this marakaku sef, everything, you go enjoy am. Wetin go make us come go dey borrow money do marriage? My brother, the word of advice wey you wan still give our brothers and sisters, make dem know say anything wey you do with your money, if the market good, we pray make the market good for everyone. You no go feel am anyhow you take come. But if you come go borrow money, you no go sleep for night. If the person wey you borrow money from, e dey pass, e no be your place e dey come o, as you see am your heart don cut.
Exactly.
I want me you give your word of advice to our brothers and sisters about this.
People, una go well. There's I get a very short advice. First, make I still advise our ladies out there. Abeg, if una love una man, when una say una wan marry, make una first check una pocket. No be say because you want make your marriage make e big, make e be talk of the city, then make you go advise your man make e go borrow money. In fact, that kind marriage e no go last. And if at all say e go last, that house settlement no go dey, happiness no go dey.
Why happiness no go dey?
Because the money wey dem go borrow for the
marriage,
that is
to dey pay back
na problem.
na problem.
So,
maybe sometimes na dem go default, dem no pay money back.
Exactly.
When the person wey dey borrow money from dey come,
so abeg
you come be the one when brother you go hide for back of door.
Exactly.
The wife go say you no dey house.
You no dey house. So abeg, I just dey beg una, before una go say una wan do marriage, make una just calculate, because everything we dey do today na front na we dey go, no be back. And you man, when e say I must go do everything, then go sell land, then go borrow money, after you do all these things, who go dey suffer am? Na you,
the woman.
So abeg, make una calculate well then before una go say una wan do marriage.
Thank you my brother.
So,
our viewers, make me still contribute my own advice, because wetin my brother, my two brothers don talk for here, e make big sense. Make una no do anything more than wetin you dey receive, because if you do am, sometimes e go come be say you go come dey regret. Na the women I wan talk to mostly. Sometimes when man don borrow money take do marriage, then other problem come dey come up, e no fit pay. One day when the man don see say the problem e don be pass am, e go run leave you. If you comot for the state or city where you dey, you go other place go start life, you go dey find am, dem go say where your husband, you say you no know where e dey. But if una do am as hand reach, then little money dey when be say the woman go fit take start petty market dey assist. Before you know wetin you dey do, everything don go well. I wan just beg una, if you love man with your heart, not love am say because you see am say e dey ride car. I know say some men out there una dey talk like you, because una go carry one motor, some dey when e be say their brother dey obodo oyibo, when e bring motor, dem go dey do everything say dem be big man. Along the line now, the money wey that one dey send come make dem take do one thing, you dey spend am for the guy now go come say na better bobo na him come so. At the end, person when he send you market, make you help me buy something come here take cook. You dey come from market, you no buy anything come give am. The money wey he give you, you no come return am. Wahala don start now. Tomorrow, he no go send you say go help me buy this thing. Benin say of am own papa say, me say if you call person wey dey butcher meat, he no butcher am well, you no call am again say me come butcher meat for you. Abeg, make una still dey there, make una no dey deceive these women. If woman wan love you, they go love you. Tell am how you be, wetin you be. No dey talk say because say you dey carry one motor dey waka say you be big boy, you dey do something say you be big boy, and you know say you no be big boy. At the end, shame go come. When that woman dey tax you, e dey tax you because say the way you take present yourself to am na make am dey tax you. If you wan do marriage, say he wan marry you, you put your hand for where your hand no reach. Then make you no come be ashamed. Na there dey cause criminality. You come say this girl I no wan lose am. You don rake. You fit come go enter bad gang. You say you wan do kidnapper, you wan do armed robber. At the end, dem go cut you. When dem don cut you now, dem sen ten ce you for 5 years, 10 years. Before you come, the woman ever marry other man. Bros, no na dey careful. Na here we go end this our program today. My brother, I thank you, Mr. Okunla, for this message you give to our brothers and sisters. Mr. Omar Gebame, I also thank you.
Thank you.
Our viewers, please don't forget to subscribe. This is Igbode Global TV. We are here to present so many things that will touch people's life. I know many people go say, wetin dem dey talk. They no get wetin dem dey do. We get wetin we dey do. Before man go say take 1 hour dey advise people, you know say na God send people, na be that. Abeg, everything wey we talk here, as I talk before, if we talk bad thing, no na throway that bad thing wey we talk o, no na accept us enter, because we be brothers and sisters. Me with una, with our brothers wey dey here, all of us be teeth and tongue. If teeth and tongue quarrel, dem no dey separate themselves. Dem still dey the same place. Please, very soon we also give you people information through this platform. When we are about to start on Facebook Live, we will leave our phone number. When we are on program like this, you people will start calling. You contribute your quota. We cannot do it alone. We want you people to join us, to do it, to move things forward, to enlighten our brothers and sisters a way of life, how life supposed to be. Life is not a do or die affair. Marriage is a collective something. When man bring his own idea, woman will bring your own idea. Then una reason together, whereby una no come put una self for igbese. If igbese don come, happiness don take off for the marriage. If igbese no dey, if brother dey come from outside, sister dey come from outside, then they embrace their self as brothers and sisters. Na dem dey see say people say dem no be husband and wife, dem be brothers and sisters. Na understanding and dem plan everything well. God bless you all as you watch this program. Like and share, and God will also give you share a good things into your life and your family. Remain blessed. I am broadcasting from Igbode Global TV, your brother Baba Solution. Have a nice day. Goodbye. We see you other time. Thank you all.